In this video, I'm going to show you how to fit sound into one of the Heljan Class 11 shunters using an X18 Hornby HM7000 sound decoder. I'll also fit an upgraded speaker and stay alive, and make a slight modification to the wiring. You need to start by removing the body. You take off the cover at each side and then take out each screw, and then you can start lifting the body off. You need to lift up the rear of the body first and then push it forward slightly, which releases the clips under the nose. Then the whole shell lifts off in one piece. Once you're inside, you need to remove the plug and socket which connects the track pickups. These need to be soldered straight onto the circuit board. I also put a piece of Captain insulation tape over the components which sit to the right hand side of the decoder, just in case they ended up touching once I fitted it. The upgraded speaker can also be soldered onto the circuit board at this point. In my model, the front and rear lights had been bridged by Heljan using this green wire. This is because the lights work in the wrong direction from the factory. The motor's been wired the wrong way around. Instead of swapping the motor wires round, I just turned this plug upside down. I also added one of the AE model's stay alives. This plugs straight into the decoder and fits in the cab. See a clip of this working at the end of this video. If you want to try this yourself at home, you can find all the parts that we've used on our website. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe if you don't already. Thanks for watching.